What's up, team? It's Tiara B, and in today's video I'm excited to show you guys my massive hair growth company haul. You guys, I have been pretty much collecting these products because I tried them for the first time and I was absolutely amazed at my results. I started off with a tiny little bottle of oil. It's basically 10 different oils in one, and the oil is only $10, y'all. And that was at a time where I was spending a lot of money on oil, like on the Canvas Beauty oil for that same type of bottle was like $30. And so I was so excited to find this oil that worked just as good for $10, right? So once I purchased, they ended up giving me discounts for like 50% off, just sending me different coupons to my email. And I was getting it, y'all. I was buying all kind of stuff. So that explains why I have so many products. So let's just jump into what those products are. And it's funny because I don't like to use things until I have shared it with you guys first. So once I do this video, I'm excited to be able to get back to using these products. So let's hurry up and get into what's actually in the bag. Look at this. I know. I don't have a problem, I promise. This was over the course of like the last maybe year or so. So I have just been kind of collecting, and I have a lot of other products to use in the meantime, so yeah. Anywho, let's just jump into what I actually have here. So this is the tiny oil I mentioned earlier. It is the 10-in-1 growth oil here. And then I noticed that they had a bigger one, so of course I bought a bigger one. This one was $10, so you have to check the website to see exactly how much this one is. It probably wasn't $10, I would assume. But nonetheless, they will hook you up. They have really great products for very affordable prices, and they actually work. So here's their oil sizes here. And I also got some rice water deep conditioner. Well, I'm really excited about that because if you watch any of my earlier videos, like years ago, I love me some rice water. I need to get back to it. So I've got the rice water deep conditioner, and then I also have the rice water rapid growth leave-in or rinse conditioner. You can't hardly see because the writing is in white. These both excite me because it has, the first ingredient is organic fermented rice water, and it's just so many oils. And look at this. This is good stuff here. All right, and then so I bought another deep conditioner because I've got to get back to deep conditioning weekly. So I deep conditioned this past week and I'm going to keep it going. So I'm glad to be popping these open so I can incorporate those in my weekly routine. Okay, so I got 2 deep conditioners, 1 leave-in out so far. Okay, so this is a shampoo. This is a rice water shampoo. And it says, for drastically stronger, softer, and longer hair. Yeah, we want that. So this is their shampoo. And this is an anti-hair loss shampoo. So it's a shampoo as well. It says it's color safe, 100% natural. And I believe each of these bottles are like $10 to $15. Again, don't quote me on that. Make sure you check out the website. I will be putting their link in my description. It is not sponsored. I just love their products. So check it out, y'all, for real. Okay, so there's that. So that's a different kind of shampoo. Okay. And that one is the Mother Nature's Follicle Strengthening Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo. So I need that because I just took a natural hair setback here on this side over here. I don't know if you can see, it's definitely a lot more see-through over here than it is over here. So yeah, I need some help because something went wrong in the last month or so. Alright, so this is the rice water rapid growth leave-in conditioner as well. So I got 2 leave-ins. So here we go. We're working it out. I've got 2 oils here, 2 deep conditioners, 2 leave-ins, and then 2 shampoos. You would think I had enough, right? But there's one more thing in here. What else? Oh, 2 more things. Okay, let's see what else I done bought. And mind you, I was purchasing this stuff at like different times, so I may not have realized that I already had some of the other stuff. It was just looking good to me, so I was like, yeah. And it was 50% off. So nonetheless, I'm going to use all this stuff, okay? Between myself and my 4 children, we all have natural hair, so it will be used. Anywho, so this is the Mother Nature's Extreme Hair Growth Mask. So this is definitely going to be helpful for me, especially since I'm dealing with some breakage up in here. So this is a mask, so that's kind of standalone. And then this is the Super Strengthening Rice Water Shampoo. So this is very similar to this. They just changed the labeling over time, but it's pretty much rice water shampoo. So yeah, guys, I have so much stuff. Okay, So that's all of it. And then they left me with this note here. It says, we value and trust your confidence in us. Sincerely appreciate you deciding to take a chance and buy our products. We hope your results will blow you away and look forward to serving your hair care needs again in the future. We wouldn't be here without wonderful people like you. Stay safe and God bless. Hair Growth Co. And I love that when they put that God bless, because some companies act like they don't know, you know. Some companies don't be wanting to represent the Lord, okay? God bless, okay? I love the Lord, and I love it when a company have the same and similar beliefs that I do, so that's a plus. So let's take a closer look at this collection here. I think I will be set for a while on hair care products that are designed to grow my hair. Yeah, so tell me what you think about my hair growth company haul. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, and I will definitely be doing some product reviews for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. Make sure your bell notification is on. Listen, I'm Tiara B, and I am out.